Twisted or cracking casing tubes, you want to know more, and we understand.
DRILLMASTER provides the best quality casing tubes well within your budget, so you don't ever have to worry about it again.
Even on the complicated learn phone here, the cursed calf, it is the best option for our customers.
See it from here. A housing complex is about to be built on a typical karst landform. There will be 22 buildings with 33 stories.
Yes, and as we all know, the casing joints is the most important part for the casing tube, so our casing joints can meet the requirements for our customers.
Want to see how our casing joints actually perform? Let us show you. Come closer and look. Look at the details. After 32 hours of working underground, there's not any visible damages, and the wear is actually quite minor.
Yes, and want to see more about this construction and want to see more about how we provide solution for this job sites with our products. Please pay attention to our next video.
Like this video and join our community of engineers. If you want to know more about our products, follow our page and watch more videos. Or check our schedule for our next live streaming. This is Lucy from DRILLMASTER.
This is Olivia from DRILLMASTER, your best partner for foundation engineering. See you next time!